Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. Hope you all smashed the market today. It's been a pretty hot day. SES, BIMI have made some great moves, and Yuma made a decent move as well. It's great to see momentum back in the market. I know that for the last few months and mainly October as well has been really dry. So it's great to see some action back in the market. Sadly, we didn't capture a lot of the moves today, but I could only trade really the first 30 minutes. SES sold off after that, but we did place two trades, two winning trades. One was basic break-even trade, but the other one was 11-cent gain, which I'll show you here. I traded a smaller size. Go to here, close position. See, I placed two trades, one for 11 cent and one for basically 3 cent. I know it's only a total of $7.21. But once again, as I said, I've been out for many months. I only placed one trade on Friday, just getting my feet and my mind back into the market. One thing definitely for sure, especially on lower price stocks, I'm going to be increasing my share size to around the 200 to 300 share point range. I want to try and start building up this account now. I'm gaining much more confidence, especially once being back into the market. My last few months, especially my last month in the market, I think the month of May, had some really good sort of metrics with my own strategies. And I'm going to do a video of the two strategies I mainly go for. That's really works for me, really simple, and I think it's good for beginners. But yeah, happy with how it went today. Like Friday, I had a solid game plan, but I didn't execute my game plan well, and that's pretty much the same what happened today. So I do have to sort out that issue, but I was still better in general today. Maybe a bit of emotions come into play, and that's the thing when you trade real money. Even on a smaller share size, it's just something you can't experience with even you're doing trading with paper trading basically. So let's talk about today's trade. I mean, SES, just as you said, made a great move. It made a great move on Friday, carried over the weekend to today. This is the stock that everyone was looking at. Basically, one of my main plays is the VWAP washout, or a washout to a sort of support area. Disappointed with my first one because basically if I come here, if I load this up, if I show you on my TC2000 charts, it just shows the VWAP a lot better. Go there and there. So yeah, so you see here, you see exactly when the market opened. You see it was struggling around here, and it washed out from, it had a high of 10.28 and had a low of 9.52. So that's what we call a washout, a big drop. That's a 70-cent drop. You can see exactly where it washed out to, the VWAP. That was my exact game plan. I'm not just saying it from a hindsight perspective, because you can see the trades I took in real time where I got my entries. The first minute, I just hesitated. I think it was due to level 2 not being as quick. It was stalling a little bit. I just hesitated, as you see there, and I just didn't buy. I didn't buy the washout. That played on my mind because I thought you see, it actually rose. It made a great high. Got back up to 10.36 area. Even on this candle, you see it closed around. Let's go to select. I think it closed around at the $10 area basically. So that's still a 50-cent gain from the low. So could have captured 20-30 cents there. So it's sort of a bit of FOMO instantly into the market because I should have already been up, you say 20-30 cents. Only on 50 shares, taking 50 shares just due to the price point. It's such a high price that I don't want to be playing with 100 shares or 200 shares and drop $1 on me, and then that's $100 or $200 gone. And yes, really disappointed with that. But you see how it worked out perfectly on the first one. So what happens on the second candle? That's exactly where I get in. I get a really good entry. I get in at 9.47, pretty much the low of that candle. And then this is just where I think emotions come into play. I actually saw a bid at 9.64, so it was there was quite a bit. It was a bit of a spread, but I saw a bid around the 9.64 area. So I'm thinking, okay, that's a 17 cent gain. Went to press my hotkey, and it moved down so fast that I basically got a 9.50 sell. So a bit unlucky with the sell, but the main mistake ultimately was just me being impatient. I've bought at support, I've bought a VWAP, if VWAP breaks, I just sell. It's a loss, it's a loss, I just accept it. I should have just been more patient, and you see here, if I was, it made a great move. I mean, I wouldn't have probably got it all the way up to the 1080 area, but I could have got it at least back up to that 980, that $10 area. So another, that should have been in theory another solid gain. And then once that's happened, I think SES has just resumed from a halt. It looks like maybe halt going down, but anyway. Once it's made this move again, it's sort of getting that resistance at the 1065 area. You see that sort of light if we put a line across there. So we're not going to chase it. We're just going to buy a washout. We get the washout. It actually stalls around this area, which is right around the 950 area. So you've got 960, but it's basically anticipated to buy that 950 area. Getting at 960. Has a little pop back up, but then it's starting to stall. I noticed on the level 2, so we didn't get the big bounce as we expected. So I saw I could take profit, took it, 11% gain, happy with that. I mean, once again, I know it's only $5.50, it is nothing money, but once again, once we get to the point we're trading 500 shares, 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, that's 2,000 shares, that's $220. It's great money, especially from these trades, because these washouts for me, they are just scalp trades, and that's how I'm not looking to envision making great money. I'm just looking to make little scalps, little gains, and just build up the account slowly. And when I come into my shorting strategy, that's where I make my larger gains, as you've seen in my other wins in my previous videos, where I've actually made 50 cents, 70 cents, $1. I think I even had $1.20 winner. So that's how I'm sort of, my strategies combine the two. My longs are like my scalping, my shorts are my holding longer, getting that bigger meat of the move. But yeah, you see here, bought and then sold, and that was pretty much me. That was pretty much me done. 2 trades, 2 winners, happy with that, even though I did mess up on these first 2, so it should have been in hindsight a great day. And that was me done. This was pretty much it. You see it started to sell off. As I said, I was already done by this time. It come around about 10 o'clock, so I did notice it come back, but that was it. And then whilst I was away, it just made this fantastic move. And I was watching, but I mean, you're just risking so much. I mean, yes, the market can be irrational. You see, yeah, it got halted there and it's gone down. But the market can be irrational. It can keep going up. But yeah, you might get some good moves, and then you only have to get burnt once massively, like here, like trying to buy out here, and then it's dropped $2, $3, $4 on you, and you've gave back all your gains. So it is what it is. I'm happy to watch. I'm happy to learn. My main taken from today is just to be a bit more patient, trust my support levels, trust my game plan, and that was it. But yeah, happy, managed to make some trades today, and that's it. Hope you guys smashed the market today. Let me know what you traded. I'm pretty certain you probably traded SES or these 3 stocks in general, but how did you get on? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Touch wood. I might not be around tomorrow. I could be, but not sure. But I should be definitely trading Wednesday and Thursday, and I can actually trade the whole day if I'm going to trade the whole day. But at least I can stay around for the first few hours. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.